Well, every good vacation starts with a good new piece of luggage. Actually, I haven't gotten a good piece of luggage in a while. I always use older stuff, but I had to get a new one because my last one just was ready to come out. So this is a Travelpro, and sorry, I'm not filming this very well. I'm doing the best I can. And sorry, I was trying to get more light there. So here it is. Looks pretty good. Says it weighs only 8.6 pounds, which is pretty funny because I think they say it's only like 4 pounds. So here we go. I should have actually set this up here. What's it say? Only 8.6 pounds, 3.9 kilograms. Flight crews of over 90 airlines use Travelpro luggage. Ultra light and durable. Got the directions here. Let's see what it has. It has a nice front pocket. These seem pretty good. As you can tell, I'm having some trouble. It's hard to film something. I should have had somebody help me. Okay, what do we have here? So on the back flap, it has this nice patch there. Okay, what else do we have? It has a back pocket. And of course, this gives you more tags and warranty and all that sort of stuff. And looks pretty durable. Not really much else other than that. Just one large suitcase that's light, which is pretty much what I needed. So it doesn't seem like there's any bells and whistles. Let's see what the back looks like. Okay. So you put your ID there. And it's swivel. Seems to do that fairly well. All right, that's it. 29-inch piece of luggage. I got the purple. It was the cheapest I could get. And it actually doesn't look too bad. People said that it would be really bright, but actually I like to see it, so it's perfect.